Hey girl boss, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a buy button to your Showit website so they can purchase your products on Shopify, but your website is on Showit. So you're basically using Shopify as your to hold your products, but you're using and to process people purchasing your products, but you're using Showit to have a really dope website. So I think these two platforms go really good together. Shopify and Showit for the design, and Shopify just to process your products. It's the perfect combination. This template is free. You can get this template in the description. Just go to our website and sign up to our newsletter. You'll be able to get this for yourself. Just make sure you change the images around. I'm sorry, just make sure you change the images. Okay, so this is how you will be able to have people purchase your products. So you're going to go to your Shopify website, and I just have a basic Shopify subscription. I pay $5 a month, and then I'm going to create the product, which I already did. And this is just the product just to show you. Once you create your product, you want to go to the buy button. If you don't have this app on Shopify, just go to the Shopify App Store. So once you create a buy button, you want to click on this. And you can customize it to fit your branding. We're going to make this the same color as the website. What color? We don't need to do the buy button, but we can do the shopping cart. So this right here, we're just going to change this to this yellow color. Okay, so then we're going to go to next, copy this code, and we're going to add a custom embed code, an embed code. I love saying the word custom. And this color, it's kind of hard to see, but we want to make sure we split mobile and desktop so we can have two different sizes, because these are two different sizes. So that's a good thing about it. On Showit, you can split it and scale the desktop, and then you can scale the mobile. So this needs to be like 200 and something. Okay. And then scale this a little bit. And there we go. Then we are going to turn the opacity down to 0. And now you won't be able to see it, but it's there. We're going to publish that. Let's reload that. And there we go. So that is how you create a custom website on Showit and still link your Shopify products. so they can still purchase your products on Shopify, and Shopify still handles all the processing and the back end stuff, and you can still have a stylish, cute website on Showit. 10 out of 10 for these platforms coming together. I love this whole process. And then you are able to change your images. So once you click, they click to the next image. And in order to do that, you just have to change the views. So you have to go and just swap out the images in the order. Okay? Excuse me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really trying to grow this channel. So please help me grow this channel. I'm going to be dropping videos every day, Monday through Friday. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.